everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Cassidy and I am a photographer based in Florida. And for those of you that are returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be talking to you guys about my first big girl lens purchase and why I chose this lens. And I recently bought the Tamron 17-28 wide angle zoom lens. Ultra wide angle zoom lens. It's nice, sleek looking, all black, Tamron. Lens cap. Lens hood. Look how beautiful that is. I bought this back in December and I have been using it for a few months now and I am absolutely in love with it. I had wanted to upgrade at least one lens since I recently jumped into freelance photography and videography full time. All I had for the longest time were the kit lenses that came with the cameras that I have. Now, they still get the job done. I can still deliver pretty good quality content. However, I was like, you know, going into this full time and making this my career, I want to have, you know, lenses and stuff that's like a bit of a step up than what I've currently been using and delivering. So I was like, I want to invest in a new lens because I love the camera bodies that I have. They work perfect for me. The biggest thing for me is that I shoot travel, landscape, nature, lifestyle, things like that. So I knew that I wanted a wide angle lens. It's very important as a nature and landscape photographer that you have one. After doing tons of research, I narrowed it down to the Tamron 17-28 and then the Sony 16-35 G Master 2.8 lens. Now, these two lenses are very similar. There's some differences. Sony is one of the best names in the business. It makes really good quality lenses and cameras, as we all know. Tamron also makes really good quality products as well. However, the Tamron is a bit more of an entry-level lens rather than a professional level, but you can still deliver professional-looking photos and videos with this lens. It's a really great lens for what it offers and for the price. Price, for me, was the biggest deciding factor besides the specs. Again, after doing research, I knew that the Tamron was a good investment. I've seen a lot of photographers who use Tamron lenses and their photos and the content that they deliver. It is really good quality. So I was looking at the two. It was a very close call. However, the biggest deciding factor for me was for sure the price. Photography, as we all know, can be a very expensive hobby, and you know, these two lenses are pretty similar. There's, you know, some differences in the specs, but the biggest difference is the price. The Tamron 17-28 2.8 is listed at $899 on B&H Photo, and the Sony G Master 16-35 2.8 is listed at $2,198. That's a pretty big difference. So, as you can expect, I went with the Tamron, so I didn't break my bank account. After using it for the last few months, like I said, I am so incredibly happy with my purchase. Nice ultra wide angle zoom lens, so it's versatile. It's very lightweight and it's not very bulky, which is nice. It weighs 0.92 of a pound. It's perfect for me because I travel a lot when I am doing vlogs or video content. So it's nice for me to just slip it in my bag and it doesn't weigh a ton. It's really good in low light, like I said. The 2.8 allows for that. It also has really great bokeh and very low chromatic aberration. The quality of the photos that I have taken so far have been like mind-blowing compared to the kit lenses I have been using. So I am honestly so excited, and I can't wait until I get my next Tamron lens. If you're looking to get a nice wide angle lens that's not too expensive, that delivers really good quality content and, you know, fits your needs, then I'd definitely suggest the Tamron. They are a great company, and it's just such a great lens. I love it so much. I also recently took this out to film some footage and take some photos at a beach a few hours away from me. I had my friend join me and help me film some stuff and take some photos. I'm going to show you guys some of the photos and video content I have captured over the last few months. Incredibly happy with my purchase and for deciding to join the Tamron family. I highly recommend that you do so. Once again, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. Feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to all comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on weekly videos, and also make sure to follow me on all of my social media handles at Cast the Nomad, where I'm pretty active every day. And as always, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog.